Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur, and we are doing another unboxing, this one of a very good movie, and seriously, if you have not seen this movie, I highly recommend you do, and that would be Spartacus, from Stanley Kubrick, starring Kirk Douglas, Laurence Olivier, Gene Simmons, Charles Laughton, Peter Ustinov in an Academy Award-winning performance, John Gavin, and Tony Curtis. What a great task. Cast, sorry folks. And this is a Steelbook packaging that's exclusive to Best Buy. So while the 4K Ultra HD disc is going to be pretty easy to find in general, this Steelbook edition you have to buy at Best Buy. And in fact, it might even be sold out by the time this goes up. So we're going to take a look at what it looked like for those who might not have had the opportunity to get one themselves. Now then, on the back you have that, the typical slip that shows the movie, and it says 4 times sharper than full HD. On the front you have Spartacus's hand with his sword and the chain. So let's open this, and already I can feel the disc coming loose, so we will open it carefully. Because unfortunately with these Steelbooks, as you know, sometimes the discs come loose, and it's usually not the disc that you really want. It's never like the DVD or the Blu-ray, which you could honestly kind of live without at this point. It's always like the Ultra HD disc. So let's take this off the front, and we have a better view. The cover, very, very nice cover, and there we go. So and yep, it's the HD disc that is loose. So anyway, that's what the Ultra HD disc looks like. We'll put this there for the time being. Now they do include a Blu-ray, which is interesting. It's all brown, so we have like the digital code, which I'm going to leave over here. And on the inside, we have the screenshot of the cast. And then of course, if you turn it around like this, very, very cool looking. So let's put these discs back so you can see what this would look like with the discs in. There you go. And that is Spartacus, the Steelbook Best Buy edition. So definitely very, very cool. Will look great on the shelf. If you don't have this movie, I highly recommend you see it. I have watched it in 4K at a buddy's house. It has never, ever looked as good as it does on this thing. So if you've never seen it before, you're in for a real treat. Anyway, I would like to know, do any of you have this edition? Have you seen the movie? What do you think of it? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.